Hello everyone, this is K-Size China. Today, we are introducing the KUM series ultrasonic level and distance meters. The KUM series is available in 3 models, A, B, and C. Model A is an integrated sensor. Model B is a separate, split-type sensor. And Model C is an explosion-proof sensor. This series offers a maximum measuring range of up to 60 meters, is equipped with an LCD display, and allows parameter configuration directly through the LCD screen and buttons. The product is suitable for a wide range of operating conditions and can be used for various level and distance measurements of liquids and bulk solids. On the right side of the video, we have provided the product specification table for your reference. First, let's take a look at the installation method of the KUM series ultrasonic level and distance meters. It should be noted that the measuring range determines the size of the probe used. The probe itself is equipped with a mounting thread, and the larger the measuring range, the larger the corresponding probe size and mounting thread. The product can be installed on a pre-drilled opening or on a mounting bracket. During installation, special attention should be paid to the fact that the probe must not come into direct contact with metal. It is recommended to use a plastic mounting bracket, or to add a rubber gasket between the metal mounting surface and the probe for isolation. This is to prevent resonance between the probe, and which could cause measurement abnormalities. This is also why the product is supplied with 2 rubber rings as standard. In addition, it is important to ensure the correct installation angle between the probe and the measured medium. For liquid level measurement, the probe should be installed perpendicular to the liquid surface. For solid level measurement, the probe should be installed perpendicular to the slope of the bulk material pile. Next, we will introduce the wiring method of the KUM series ultrasonic level and distance meters. First, use a screwdriver to open the upper cover of the sensor, where you can see the internal terminal block. The function of each terminal is clearly marked with text above it. Next, connect the corresponding cables according to the terminal markings. During wiring, the cable should be fed through the built-in cable gland of the sensor. After wiring is completed, tighten the cable gland to ensure proper protection. After completing the wiring, first check whether the wiring sequence is correct and whether the power supply voltage meets the requirements. Once confirmed, the sensor can be powered on. Next, I will demonstrate how to perform parameter settings, language switching, and data reading via the RS485 interface using the LCD display. First, press the Set button to enter the main menu. In the main menu, you will see options such as Exit Settings, Expert Settings, and Simple Settings. You can use the up and down buttons to make a selection. Select Factory Set. Then, press the Set button to enter the second level factory set menu. In this menu, you will find multiple parameter lock. Each parameter is explained in detail in the product manual. Assuming that all parameters have been set according to the manual, you can then use the up and down buttons to select Quit. And press the Quit button to return to the previous menu. In the main menu, select Quit again and press the Set button to return to the normal measurement display interface. Next, we will demonstrate the language switching function. This sensor supports both Chinese and English display languages, and they can be switched between each other. The specific method is as follows. Press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously for more than 2 seconds to switch between Chinese and English. If the sensor is the RS485 version, you can use the PC configuration software to read data. Now we open the PC software. First, check the serial port settings. 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, no parity. The sensor's address and baud rate can be obtained by checking the LCD screen. Currently, this sensor's address is 01, and the baud rate is 9600. Next, use function code 03 and send a command to read the sensor's measurement value. The storage address of the measurement value is 0x00. Enter the command 01030000001. Then click Send. Then click Send. You can see that the data returned by the sensor is 001CE. This is hexadecimal data and needs to be converted to decimal. Open the calculator. (01C) E converted to decimal is 462, with the unit in centimeters. So the current measured value is 462 centimeters. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.